Hey traders, hey traders, hey traders, hey traders, hey traders. Hope you guys had a wonderful trading week, and I hope you guys had a wonderful month of November. This is your boy Harlem King COT, and we're back with another video. Before we start the video, before we get any further with the video, I just want to show some gratitude to everyone who has been part of the COT Academy team for 2024, even though in 2024 hasn't ended. I just want to share my gratitude and show gratitude that I'm highly grateful from where we come from and where we are and where we absolutely going. It's mind blowing and it's all a privilege and an honor that I have to be part of this big audience. Not only big audience, but just to be part of this big platform with the family that I can trust and rely on. But without further ado, guys, there's going to be our weekly trading outlook for the coming week. I think it's going to be from the 2nd of December up and until the 6th. Just not sure of the date, but before we get any further, make sure you like, you subscribe, you share, you comment, you click the link to sign up with the broker that we trade with, and highly recommend. If you want to be part of our COT Academy, we're having an exclusive service that we have started up or opened, which is part of the collaboration that we have with Quick Trade. All that we need, all that we ask of you guys is to just subscribe, is to just sign up with the broker that we trade with by clicking the link, fund 1,000 or more, and after funding 1,000 or more, send proof of funding and proof of your account that you've opened up. After the step 4, you simply set a date into which we are gonna meet, so I can share the wonderful gems and the knowledge that you need, so you can go and capitalize independently. If you want to be part of it, I'm gonna leave my information, I'm gonna leave my numbers, so you can do the rest from there. But without further ado, let me share this wonderful gems and let me grow your knowledge and make sure that you stay 1% like you're destined to be. So Nasdaq, guys, you can clearly see that our intraday price is in an uptrend, right? You can clearly see price has been creating highs and violating those highs, creating highs and violating those highs, until we came to a point where price reacted once from this very same price high, and then again had the second reaction, and now price is having the third reaction, right? So what I just want to say, guys, just for the trading week, for the coming week, is to look to continue bullish. Is to just look for continuation to the upside, right? Once price trades above this very same highs, then we can still look for continuation. But if price fails to violate, then I guess we're gonna have a triple top and anticipate those moves to the downside. So we're simply waiting for confirmation based on what we are anticipating or what we have gathered, right? If price is looking to continue to the upside, price is this intraday zone that is printed out. If we can get a break above, then we simply continue bullish. But if price fails to violate, then I guess we have a triple top, and that's when we can look to be bearish. You guys get good. Second pair is gold. So gold, we anticipated continuations to the upside, but you can clearly see that price had a strong push to the downside, reacting on our previous higher lows, right? Or let me just say our previous support that price has printed out. So this was our first reaction, this was our second reaction, and price created this high, and then price had an impulsive push to the downside and started rejecting that very same previous higher low zones, right? So from there, price started moving highs, lows, and highs. So for the coming week, just to be simple with you guys, you can clearly see that price has printed out this high, and we've got a violation of this high. If we're looking for continuations to the upside, can we at least get a break above? Can we at least get a break above our highs, our current higher high, in anticipation of the new high? But if price fails to violate, then I guess we can anticipate that move to the downside. But we're simply waiting for confirmation to see, is price going to continue to the upside? Is price going to continue to the upside, or are we going to get some type of weakness and look to be bearish? Without further ado, that pair, which is USD CAD. So USD CAD, we've printed out support and printed out resistance. We did have a violation of our support, of our resistance, but price impulsively pulled back or broke below. So what we're going to be looking for the coming week, because price is in a sideways, let me not say a sideways movement, price is support and price is resistance, and price is trading in the middle of support and resistance. We're simply waiting for reaction to be bullish, for break below to be bearish, for reaction to be bearish, or break above to be bullish. That's all we're going to be waiting for. That's all we're going to be anticipating. That's all we're going to be willing to put our money to work on. But we're simply waiting for confirmation to see that, are we going to get a reaction or violation? Are we going to get a reaction or a violation? Do you guys get that? Fifth pair is going to be Tesla. Tesla, I've simply said it and I'm still saying it. We don't have a trade idea. Prices this high printed out. Prices this high printed out, and with this high being printed out, all we're going to be waiting for is to see that, are we going to get a violation of that high, looking for those new highs. But if price doesn't violate, then I guess we'd have to be bearish. But we simply don't have a trade idea. What do we do from there? We move. Last but not least, having Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, you can tell that price has printed out this higher high, and prices printed out this higher low, and now we're looking for possible continuation to the upside. If we're now looking to continue bullish as we anticipate that we're waiting for confirmation, can at least get a break above our higher high. That's racing higher high, looking for new highs. But if price fails to violate, then I guess we have to get wide that fail to break that high high and anticipate those moves to the downside. But we're still waiting for confirmation to see what is gonna happen. Are we gonna violate our higher high looking for new highs, or are we gonna fail to violate our higher high looking for the move to the downside? We just don't know. So this will be what we'll be looking for and what we're gonna be willing to put our money to work on. Not looking for much, not looking for less. We're just waiting for price to confirm to us that are we gonna continue or are we gonna have some type of reversal. That's all we're gonna be waiting for. But without further ado, like I said, guys, I appreciate the love, I appreciate the support, and I appreciate all that you've done for us, for me in 2024. If 2024 was like this, 2025 gonna be mind blowing. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem, King COT, and we're signing out.